I'm Steve Mason, AMP lead here on D103 Dock 3B, and basically we fix airplanes. I was interested in aviation before, saw the advertisement for AIM on somebody's shirt one day, and I went ahead, called the number, and started my schooling there, and it was a pretty good decision. The instructors, they were really nice. They were very good at instructing you on what aviation life was going to be. The projects were hands-on. You're going to learn exactly what you're going to do in this industry. Taking the time to go through the training at AIM was worth being here right now. When I first started here, I told them I just graduated from AIM, and they were like, let's go ahead and throw some work at you, see where you're at. The first job I did was slat mod. They told me to go ahead, just go at it. I did the job so well that they were like, hey, you know what? Let's give you another hard job. Here at AAR, we seem to have to touch the whole complete airplane. You're not just gonna do one job here. We got into the rear spar mod where we basically had to take apart everything off the trailing edge, hydraulic lines, components. We had to go ahead, repair the back of the wing, and then after that, we put everything back together and had to ops check it and make sure everything worked. It was just a roller coaster ride from there. And they saw the potential in me and they started putting me in charge of things. The culture reminds me a lot like the military, a lot of brotherhood. Everybody here does their job. Everything's got to be perfect. It's aviation. Safety is definitely #1 priority. In this industry of the MRO, you definitely find yourself being able to work just about as many hours as you'd like. Sometimes my family doesn't like it until they see the paycheck. The industry is looking for new, young, smart, creative people. There's going to be challenges every day, and if you're up for the challenges, you're definitely going to like aviation. When you get out of AIM, apply here at AAR. They're willing to give you a chance. AAR is a great place to come for experience.